are going to see about the decoder and encoder process. So the decoder is that the information is represented by the binary codes. So the decoding is the conversion of an n-bit input code to an m-bit output code. That means the n number of inputs that can provide the 2 power n output. So it can perform the decoding is called as a decoder. Okay, from n input to that 2 power n output. So in the decoder, this is the 3-bit opcodes. 3-bit opcode means opcode 0, opcode 1 and opcode 2. So it can be converted into the 3 to 8 decoder. That 8 is that output platform and opcode 0, 1, 2 is that input platform. Okay, so addition, subtraction and XOR NOT both store jump is that 8 decoder. And for example, the home automation system, so 2 to 4 decoder. So in this, the light AC door light AC systems, this is also similar to that 3 to 8 decoder system. So the decoder with the enable conditions means a decoder which can have an additional interrupt signal. So this is that enable bit. This is that additional interrupt signal. It is called as that enable, which enables or disables that output generated by the decoder. So 2 to 4 decoder means only 2 input and 4 output. That is the 2 to 4 decoder. 2 input means A1 and A0 and 4 output is that D3, D2, D1 and D0. This is the truth table for 2 to 4 decoder. That means the input of A1 is 0011 and A0 is 0101 and that output is D0, D1, D2, D3. So the output is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the output for 2 to 4 decoder, and this is the logical diagram for the 2 to 4 decoder. That means A0 and A1. So 0 means this and 1 means this. So the D0 is A1 bar and also A0 bar. That means if 0 means it is indicated by with the bar signals. 1 means there is no indication of the bar signal. Okay. So for D0, A1 bar, A0 bar, and for D1, A1 bar because 0 and A0. And for D2, A1 and A0 bar, and for D3 both are 1. So A1 and A0. And this is that truth table and manners book for that 2 to 4 decoder. Okay, so 3 enable signal. So enable that can be given as 0 1 1 1 1 and the output is 0 0 0 1. And this is the 3 to 8 decoder. That means the 3 input and 8 number of output. 3 input means 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the input for A2, A1 and A0. The output for the corresponding input is starting from the D0 to D7. Only one bit is in enable condition. The another bit will be move on to the disable conditions. So this is the logical diagram for this truth table, and by using that enable condition, this is that input block diagram for the 3 to 8 decoder. And a decoder based combinational circuits means it can generate all the minterm conditions and also some of that minterms. It can any boolean functions can be implemented by using the decoder or OR gate. So it can be sum up with that input functions, the 3 input, and it can produce that 8 possible minterm conditions. Okay, so next one is that encoder. So encoder is that just opposition of the decoder. So the conversion of m-bit input code to an n-bit output code with n and m and 2 power n, such that each valid code word produces a unique output code. So it can perform that encoding is called as the encoder. So decoder means minimum number of input to maximum number of output. So encoder means maximum number of input to minimum number of output. That is the difference between encoder and decoder. So this is the 8 to 3 encoder. 8 to 3 means a maximum number of input. That means a 8-bit input, and 3 refers to the three number of outputs A0, A1 and A2. So a number of inputs are only one bit will be is in enable condition, other bit will be move on to the disable conditions. The output for the corresponding input is this. So by this the output equations for the A0 is okay. So D1, D3, D5 and D7. So we have to add on these four conditions, and A1 is D2, D3, D6 and D7, and for A2 is D4, D5, D6 and D7. Okay, this is the logical diagram for this corresponding output equations. So D1, D2, D3, D7. So addition means it can be moved on to the addition operation. That means that OR function. Addition means OR function, OR gate. So it can produce that output as A now. Superiority encoder means if contains the two or more input, it is equal to 1. All the input is equal to 0 means it can indicate this combinations. Thank you.